Starting with Annabelle. And Annabelle Wambui is a digital financial literacy trainer, empowering communities and entrepreneurs globally and locally within Kenya. Second on stage is Dwayne. He is a public speaker and a mental health advocate.
From Ghana.
And a software engineer, also working with the Kenya Revenue Authority. And I'm sure so many of you are dodging the tax bit of it, so we'll ask him more about the tax impact in lending and digital inclusivity. Virtually, we have Oluseye joining all the way from Nigeria. Welcome, Oluseye. I call him Seye. He's the co-founder and chief growth officer at Vendor Credit. Next is joining us virtually from South Africa. We have Yolanda. Please help me in welcoming her. She is the CEO of Zoe Project and Consulting, an award-winning industrial engineer and a visionary entrepreneur. And I think I'll shoot direct to the system bit of it and infrastructure. Jay here, let's bring into your system lens. What infrastructure or policy shifts are needed to support inclusive digital lending at scale, especially for SACCOs and MFIs?
Thank you so much. Hope I'm audible enough. Thank you so much, Reza. I'm going to be honest. There's so many bottlenecks now in our government to building structures. So I'd love to be blunt with you. In regard to that question, it's more like we're building skyscrapers on the foundation of bungalows. But then again, we need some fundamentals, definitely. We need interoperability, because as at now, the government relies on credit agencies to get data about credit risk management and all. And so it's one of the things that we really need to have a shift on. Then again, we we need systems that rely on integrity, and at the same time they preserve the dignity of the end user. So yeah, that's pretty much.
Thank you for that. That's very compelling. But to just add another extra question on top of that, and it's on the tax bit of it. How does verification systems, public systems like ID verification, tax data, or mobile registries being used safely to integrate into credit scoring without compromising the privacy of the citizens or people?
You're putting me on the top of that gas. Okay, it's okay. That is the KRA. And so there are a number of ways that I can share. I hope I'll be safe.
You're safe here.
Okay, so done wrong, we can create an Orwellian nightmare. But done right, we can actually unlock financial inclusion to a lot of people in regard to how we handle that data. So some of the ways we handle the sensitive financial data, trying to collaborate with these credit agencies is, number one, is purpose limitation. So let me give context to purpose limitation. Purpose limitation is basically the credit agency, they definitely have your data, but not all your data. So your KRA PIN, purpose limitation is more like, is it active or inactive? Is it valid? Yes, it's valid. But they don't gain access to your taxpayer data. Then again, lenders tend to receive signals, not the whole context of your credit history, your transaction payments and everything. Yeah.
Thank you so much for that. That's very insightful, and at least we know that as much as it's absolutely critical, we are protected, and there are some more innovations that you guys are taking forward. Most welcome. Jay?
Thank you so much. I'd love to say that at KRA, we've learned that using AI and automating processes, it doesn't dehumanize people, but it actually puts back the integrity of humanity in the system. So what does it do? It stops the bureaucracy, but still keeps the relationship. Yeah, and so I feel like also conventionally, in as much as we are called the global South, it's a challenge to us all to always keep learning. You see, the way we were told earlier by the previous panelists that AI, you need to prompt it well so that it keeps learning. I think the same way we need to have that reflection in what we do. So we've re-engineered our taxpayer verification processes, and reduced the time frame from 2 weeks to just a matter of hours. And you know what that does? It preserves the dignity and also still has the credibility of this business person or this taxpayer who wanted to buy land, or a car or anything.
Thank you so much for that. I'd like to conclude it from here, and I'd like to thank my brilliant panel and to everyone in the room for the sacrifice during lunch break. You showed up with clarity, curiosity, and care. Let's keep the inclusivity moving, and definitely looking forward to more of this kind. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Kiza.
Thank you.